Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer assets to Charles Schwab in minutes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start the asset transfer to Charles Schwab, visit their website. Log in to your existing Charles Schwab account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers section. Select the option to transfer an account. You will be presented with the type of transfer options available. Choose between a full transfer or a partial transfer, depending on your needs. Enter the details about the account you wish to transfer from. This includes the financial institution's name and your account number. Follow the prompts to authorize the transfer. You may need to provide additional information for verification. Review all the details you've entered carefully. Confirm that everything is accurate before proceeding. Once confirmed, submit your transfer request. Charles Schwab will process the transfer and keep you updated via email. Typically, the process takes only a few minutes to initiate. It may take a few days for the assets to fully transfer. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or required actions. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation. And that's it. You've successfully initiated your asset transfer to Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.